This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Renata and Luis Menendez. Newer construction home located in desirable Southwest Cape Coral offering over 2,400 square feet under air. This spacious split-bedroom floor plan features 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, including a secondary bedroom with potential for an ensuite, ideal for guest or multi-generational living. Interior features include a formal dining area and a versatile flex space suitable for a den, office, or additional living room. The kitchen features granite countertops, a large island with seating, soft close cabinetry, a pantry, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast nook. Open concept living area with plank tile flooring throughout main living spaces and carpet in the bedrooms. The primary suite offers dual walk-in closets and a spacious bathroom with dual vanities, a separate soaking tub, a walk-in shower, and a private water closet. Additional features include an inside laundry room with a washer and dryer, and a 3-car garage providing ample space for vehicles, storage, and recreational equipment. Enjoy outdoor living on the covered lanai with plenty of room to design and build your future pool. Property is connected to city water and sewer, with a very small balance to be assumed by the buyer. There is an assumable FHA loan available for interested buyers. Conveniently located near shopping, supermarkets, parks, dining, and Lee County schools, including top-rated Cape Coral Municipal Charter Schools, with easy access to Fort Myers via Veterans Memorial Parkway. What are you waiting for? Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Renata and Luis Menendez at 239-410-7372.